Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got a lock here that Josh Butler sent to me. It's an old Corbin Wafer Padlock, and it did not come with a key. So I thought it would be a fun little project for Stock Lock Sunday to try to impression a key. I got a whole mess of keys from an eBay auction, and I found one that seems to fit. I hope it's long enough, but these aren't too difficult to pick. I'm just going to show that it's not too difficult to pick, but it would be nice to have a key. Come back to the front. I'm in a little bit of a falset, and there we go. And we're open. Now we'll lock it back up, stick it in the vise, and see what we can do. I've been practicing my impressioning, and I'm getting a little bit more confident. I'm hoping that I can do this on video in real time. So there we go. It's all locked up. This is the key that I'm starting with. All I've done to get started is I put it in this little, it's called a bead holder or wire holder, I think, or wire puller or something like that. It's for making jewelry. And I have this little wing nut and a clamp, and I clamped it down, but I drilled holes and then tapped them and put grub screws in here to make it a little bit tighter. And then I took my file and just kind of cleaned this key up a little bit. And I also used a little bit of 400 grit sandpaper just to be sure that I'm able to get these, especially these initial marks. So I'm going to put it in all the way and really tighten this down. Okay. And I apologize in advance for all the shaking and rattling that you may hear, but I am going to try to do this in real time. I'm going to try to get a really good first set of marks. There you can kind of see them. I'm going to be using this guy. Not on camera. That'll be way too difficult, but I'll try to do it all on camera. You know, I can't tell. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure if it's 5 or 4. Let's see. I'm going to use a different hook for that, just to make sure that I'm accurate on how many pins I'm going to try to, how many wafers I'm going to try to impression. 1, I think. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Really close to the tip. So we are going to put, wow, that's really light. Okay, there's one of them. That is, we'll go heaviest to darkest to lightest mark. Seems like that's a mark. 3. I'm gonna need to get a closer look here. 4, 5. That's gonna be hard to see. But that 5 is right there. Just in front of the tip. Boy, this might be difficult. Okay. All right, I think we are started. We're gonna make tiny little very clean, and it'll be a squeaky process, noisy, but I'm hoping it won't take too awfully long. Interesting. All right. I'm just gonna clean this up just a tiny bit. And then this is what we're starting out with. It's a little, let me make sure that I am fairly clean on these marks. I need to clean it up just a tiny bit. Make sure I'm lifting up at the end of my stroke so that I am not confused. That's really, really light. Okay. Now we're going to see what we get. I cut in there pretty deep. Okay. I don't think I need to go the other way. I think I just need to go one way here. Not sure. Kind of new to this. Okay. 4 is a really, really heavy mark. I'm going to see if you can, maybe if I can share this. Number 4 is pretty heavy. I'm going to try to stick to 3 decent strokes anytime that I find one that needs to be filed. And I believe that 1 was also giving me, 1 also gave me a pretty decent mark. All right, here we go. Can be quite a challenge to see. 3 is definitely the one right now. Good, just gonna, okay, barely touch these just to clean them up, just a shade. I'm not really trying to take anything off of them. Okay. And what do we have here? Got a heavy mark on two, and but really heavy on 5. Oops. Don't mess up like that. And 2, I said. All right, here we go. It's acting a little different now. Maybe I have one that's real close. Maybe more. We shall see. Number 3 and 4 have very heavy marks. 2, 3. Boy, I'm a little worried about 4 and 5 right now because I got a little close together on them. I'm hoping that oh, there we go. We're close. There we go. We are getting real close already. That is pretty wild. Number 4 is really heavy. And 3 again. Uh-oh, I just lost my marks. All right, 4 and 3. 3, not so much. We'll just do 2 there. Boy, number 5 is so close to number 4. I'm hoping I did not mess that up. There we go. Got it. Awesome. Okay. All right. It's a little rough working, but there is the key. I think it's a 5. It is possible that maybe it's a 4, and I was just seeing something that wasn't real. But let's see. Yeah, this needs to be cleaned up a little bit here. Let's try to fix it. Let's try to figure out what's going on that needs to be fixed so that I can have a reliable working key here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, number 2. Oh, wait. 1. No. Man, 1 and 2 are really close together. But looks like 3 and 4 have tiny little marks. 1, 2, 3. And 4. I'm not going to do too much to that. I'm going to lock this back up. See if this will work now. Okay, cool. All right. That seems to work pretty well now. Do need to fiddle with it just a little bit, but it was working. Let's see. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to take this out of here and see if it will work in my hand, because that was in there really tight. All right. Okay. So here's the key. That's going to be really hard to figure out exactly what I did, but there we go. Have to fiddle with it a little bit, but that is making a key for this. Very cool Corbin. And like I said, I have a whole mess of keys. I'm going to try to sort them out. I mean, tons of them. And I have a lot of auto keys came with it, which I have really no use for. But I'll try to share what I have so that I can, if anybody needs an oddball key that I might have, I will, I'm totally willing to send one to you if you need one, or take a look to see if I have it, because man, it was like 10 pounds of keys. But it came with some cool locks too. So thanks for watching. And thank you to Josh Butler for sending this to me. And I did also make a key while I was practicing for this one that Josh Butler sent to me as well. This little Yale. I impressioned this key. This one took a little longer. It took like 20 minutes to do. So, but it does seem to work. Anyway, thanks for watching. And of course, everybody have a good Stock Lock Sunday. Be good and be well.